Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay, and I hope this quarantine isn't driving you all crazy. I think I've lost my mind twice during the, I don't know, like 3 weeks I think we've been locked in, or 2. I'm lost. All the days are blending into one. Let me know in the comments what you guys are doing with your time and what you're doing to not get bored, because I'm kind of losing a lot of ideas. I think the best thing I've been told is do one thing a day that you want to do, just so then you've got enough days and enough things to do, because I don't know how long we're going to be here. We are in the series. We're carrying on with the series, the van build. This one, there is a bit of a jump in it. I think that's because this is our first van build that we've ever done, like our first build at all, and I was very excited, wanted to get things done, and I forgot to film a lot of things, and to be honest, we had a bit of a clash on heads on how we wanted to design things, and the colours of things, and the carpets, and what we could get for free, because we wanted to do this as cheap as possible because we didn't really have enough money. Before I forget, please don't forget to subscribe. I would really appreciate it if you guys subscribed. We are putting polystyrene in between all the batten that we have made. And we have put the batten up to structure the wall a little bit more.
Stay up their back.
Which box are you at? 22 inch? Okay. Measure again at the end, so that's 22.
Yeah.
Do you think you've got another door through? Yeah.
We think so, but we're not 100% sure. As you can see, we have just sort of broken it as much as we can and just got all the dud bits here and put that together. But obviously this is one piece. These are all dud bits. All the insulation is now done in the back. So what we have done is stuck this sort of bubble wrap silver stuff, and then put the polystyrene on top, so the silver stuff is in the back and then the polystyrene is on the top, and then we've got our supports, because this up here, this here is then gonna be the seating area. And then this is gonna be the bed area. And over there is gonna be the kitchen and everything else. This is the space that we've got, and then this up here is gonna be our cupboard. And we have a window there, our 2 windows up there, and then the log burner here.